So Kenny, you want to say anything about the beauties of debt and how you learn to use debt to get rich?
Sure. Well, I think when I was your age, everybody used to say, stay out of debt. So it wasn't until later that I realized that you can use it, and you can use it to buy assets. So it's a big difference between good debt and bad debt. But essentially, all it is, it's a form of money from somebody to buy something. So in a loan or a mortgage or whatever you want to call it. So it's just money. And so being able to use money from a bank or from a life company or a pension or something like that.
Or an investor like me.
Yeah, or an investor in the form of a loan or equity is the most important thing that you can learn, because I think I certainly grew up with no money, and my parents didn't either, and we always used to have to save for everything that we always did. You know, it was always, how much money can we save and then we can buy something? And it wasn't until later that I realized that when you use debt, that you can actually do it. You don't even have to have any money. You know, you just use other people's money.